Changes outside a function move or stretch outputs. Changes inside act on inputs.
We begin our journey in the quiet Mirawind marsh. We identify the effect on the graph of replacing f of x by f of x plus k, kf of x, f of kx, and f of x plus k for specific values of k. We follow Wren onto the original marsh path. As we map her journey, we will shift a graph up, stretch a graph vertically, compress horizontally, and shift left or right. Look at the paired coordinate reads along the bank. If g of x equals f of x plus 4, how does the graph of g compare with the graph of f? Adding 4 changes every output by plus 4. That moves each point up 4 units. The graph of g is the graph of f shifted up 4 units, so the whole graph shifts upward by 4. As Wren wades into the reflection pool, we see output values marked on the stones. If h of x equals 3f of x, what happens to the outputs of the graph? Multiplying outside the function multiplies each output. Every y value becomes 3 times as large. The outputs are tripled, so the graph is vertically stretched by 3. Applying a multiplier outside the function controls the vertical scale directly. Further ahead in the translation reads, a physical feature sits at an original input of 6. If p of x equals f of 2x, how does the point where f has input 6 show up on p? To get the same inside value 6, solve 2x equals 6. That gives x equals 3. So the feature that was at x equals 6 on f appears at x equals 3 on p, a horizontal compression. The feature moves from x equals 6 to x equals 3, showing a horizontal compression by a factor of 2. Multiplying the input means it takes exactly half the horizontal distance to reach the original height. If the inside input changed from 2x to x plus 5, where would the original 0 point move? Wren reaches the stretched horizon. Here, translation markers track an original feature at input 0. Let's see which direction the graph moves if q of x equals f of x plus 5. To match the original input 0 of f, solve x plus 5 equals 0. That happens at x equals negative 5 on q. To balance the equation, the entire physical horizon must physically relocate. The graph moves left 5 units. An inside addition creates a negative directional shift. Here are the results. The graph of g is the graph of f shifted up 4 units. The outputs are tripled, so the graph is vertically stretched by 3. The feature moves from x equals 6 to x equals 3, showing a horizontal compression by a factor of 2. The graph moves left 5 units. With the journey complete, the mathematical markers fade back into the landscape, returning the marsh to its natural state. How would you check this result? The graph moves left 5 units.
Because x plus 5 must equal 0, the original 0 moves to negative 5.